Hi guys, welcome to my channel. The look in this video is an intense smoky green eye. I've created this look with the PRISM palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills. It's a limited edition palette and it has some really rich and pigmented colors, so let's begin. Like always, I start off with applying the eyeshadow primer first. It helps in holding my eyeshadows in place and avoids any crease lines. This is completely optional, but I apply a tiny bit of concealer on my eyelids to help the colors stand out more. I start off with the shade Eden. It's an ultra matte coral pink. I just apply it all over the crease as this color works as a great transition color. All I'm going to do is just blend it out well. Speaking of transition colors, I have used two shades in this look. It just makes the smoky eye gradients look a lot smoother. After the coral, I use the shade called Lure. It's an ultra matte lilac. I'm going to simply place this on the area below the crease and blend it out. If at any point you think that your colors have gone off the mark, then just dab some concealer on the outline and make your life easier. I had done a video previously on concealer hacks. You can click on the link here and see all the wonderfully smart things you can do with your little concealer. This look is a bold and a dark one, so as a base I'm going to apply a black cream eyeshadow on the eyelids. You could also apply a gel eyeliner or any cream based product. This will simply enhance the depth of the colors you add later. Now here comes the star of the look, the green eyeshadow called Throne. It is a stunning metallic blackened blue shade with a multicolor reflection. It is very smooth in texture and the pigmentation is fantastic. I apply this all over my eyelids and finally blend it out with the shades previously applied above. I just highlight the arch of my eyebrows with a light shade. Next, I'm just going to apply a jet black eyeliner and then finally open up my eyes with some mascara. I want this look to be really dramatic, so I'm going to go in with a pair of false eyelashes. Over to the complexion now. I had primed my face earlier, so now I'm just going to take some foundation and apply it all over my face. I'm applying a very thick line of Kohl on the waterline. And once that's done, I take the shade Osiris, which is a metallic midnight violet. I smudge the Kohl out with this blue color, which makes the look uber dramatic. If there's any mess, just apply some concealer underneath the eyes. It will not only clear away any fallout, but will also take care of any apparent fatigue or dark circles. That's why generally I begin with the eye makeup first, so that in case there's any mess around, I can clear it up while doing my complexion. I will just set my complexion with the translucent loose powder by Sephora. I'm just going to fill in my eyebrows with some product and groom them out. I'm using the powdered sculpting kit by Makeup Forever. I want very sharp features for this look, so I go in for very sharp contours and strong highlights. For highlighting, I use the 3D highlighter palette by Huda Beauty. I apply the shade Fiji first on my cheekbones and on the bridge and the tip of my nose. I top the highlights with another shade called Seychelles on the same highlighted areas as before. If you want your lips to look plumper and more defined, then add a dash of concealer in and around the lips. After contouring, I outline my lips with the lip liner 14C by Makeup Forever. Sometimes one has to mix colors to get the exact shade, especially for the lip colors. I have put together two random pinks. You can really use any pinks of your choice. I take the white gold shade called Lucid. It has some metallic sparkle. I just dab a bit of it on my lips for a more duochrome finish. Oh, this is my favorite part, spraying some fixing mist. I'm using Mist and Fix by Makeup Forever. So that's my final look. It has a mix of green, blue and pink, so yeah, it's quite colorful. Click on the like button if you like the video. To watch more makeup videos, click here, and do remember to subscribe to my channel Makeup by Deepika K for more videos and alerts. That's it for now. Bye bye.